Hello. Thought I would share with you the remaining. Never got a chance to show you all the 3D printed characters, so I thought I'd finish up the rest of them, but I can remind you, if you haven't seen the other video yet, you go check that out. But here I'm just quickly going over the ones I showed you before. Oh my god, they're so cute. Alien. This guy. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, we'll go on to ones I never got a chance to show you. Okay. Oh, this one is cute. This is the pineapple. It moves on the top and on the bottom. Its little W is on the back. Cute. And the pineapple. Oh, this one we just got last week. Out with my son. So I got a couple more. This is, I love it as a pink turtle. See, yep, its head moves. And the little legs move. And this W is on the bottom. So cute. Yeah. Oh. All right. Hedgehog or porcupine? Oh, those ones again for Easter because it's got the little Easter little ears, and it's got little. Those are little. I don't know if you could get that in there, but those are little eggs in there. This one, its head moves. The W is on the head, and the feet go back in. Feet. Okay, so that's that one. Oh, I got a little piece of cheese. So it moves on top. It moves down here in the middle. And the W on the back. Oh, this is also another one I just got this past week. Visiting Hobbytown again. So a little head moves. And the bottom part moves. W on the back. Oh, that was, oh. It's so cute. Now, a piece of broccoli. Let's see, yep, the broccoli part moves. The head moves. And the W on the back. Cute. Piece of broccoli. I guess this is, yep, this is the last one. It's the puppy. No, the head don't move. The middle part moves. And obviously the little legs move. The legs move up and down. And the W is on one of the little paws on the bottom. Lay flat. Right, those are so cute. Okay, so here's the recap. There's the puppy. a little duckling. Piece of cheese. Pineapple. Broccoli. All right. Porcupine or hedgehog? Let me know in the comments. That. And I'm going to put all the other ones back in the same bag. Remember that's what we got. So cute. Little hamster. I got the octopus. I don't know if this one had a W on it. There's no W on this one. Alright, a little octopus. Little alien for Easter. Oh, the little reindeer. Chicken. Chicken. This one don't have a W on it either. Also feels different. Wings. Oh. The cow with the bunny ears for Easter. And here, French fries. Pizza. Oh, raspberry. I had shown those more in my last video. This bag is empty. And now I got all the pieces in this bag. Oh, I have to remember to sew that in. Okay. Oh. Yeah, don't mind the mess. It's like, oh, well. Right, before I go, if you checked out my shorts, I have done the whispered words of encouragement. And this video, I will read you that too. We are reading, well, first we're flipping pages. I know some people like the page flipping. So page flip. Okay. Oh, today is St. Patrick's Day. I had finished, I know I digressed, I had finished the vest. This green vest, which I intended to wear, I wore this past Sunday to church. But suppose I could wear it. Today's actually St. Patrick's Day. I probably could wear it today. Okay. All right, I just digressed. So we were reading our whisper words for March 17th. What value has compassion that does not take its object in its arms? Person that does not take its object in its arms. That is from Anthony. I'm probably going to butcher this name. And Antony de Saint-Exupéry. Like, okay. That is for March 18th. So All right. Well, till next time.